Good morning, students. In previous class, we are discussed about conservation of energy. Okay. So in this video, we are going to discuss it about next topic, that is collisions. Okay. So first, what is collisions? What is collisions? In our daily life, if two objects collide or interact for a short interval of time, okay, then we treat it as a collisions. Okay, so if two objects collide or interact for short interval of time, okay, then we will consider as collisions. Okay, in physics the meaning of collision something different. Okay, next examples for collision. First one, if a cricket ball is hit by a bat, if a cricket ball is hit by a bat, okay, in short interval of time we will observe motion of ball and hug force acting on a ball. Okay, such force is called as a impulse force. Okay, next second example, Rutherford alpha particle experiment. Rutherford alpha particle experiment. In this experiment, alpha particle never directly approaches to nucleus of gold foil. Okay, when particle approaches to nucleus experienced by the hug Coulombic force and change their path. Okay, so this is second example. So these two are examples for collisions. Okay, next there are two types of collisions. There are two types of collisions. Okay, first one elastic collision and second one inelastic collision. Now we will see first what is elastic collision. What is elastic collision? The collision that follows conservation of momentum and energy. The collisions that follows conservation of momentum and energy, okay, is called elastic collision. Now next to inelastic collision. The collision that only follows conservation of momentum but not conservation of energy. The collision that only follows conservation of momentum but not conservation of energy, they are called inelastic collision. Okay, next we will see difference between elastic collision and inelastic collision. Okay, so in elastic collision, first point, the total kinetic energy is conserved. Elastic collision, first point, the total kinetic energy is conserved. Inelastic collision, first point, the total kinetic energy of bodies at the beginning and end of the collision is different. Okay, in elastic collision, inelastic collision, the momentum is conserved. Okay, example of elastic collision, an example of this can be swinging balls or spacecraft flying near a planet. Okay, inelastic collision example, an example of an inelastic collision can be the collision of two cars. Okay, so this is difference between elastic collision and inelastic collision. Okay, thank you, students.